Hi there, I'm Christy, and I'm going to show you how to make a nacho cheese. You're not going to be able to believe the ingredients. We're going to start out with 2 cups of potatoes and 1 cup of carrots. And I've left the peel on mine and boiled them for about 20 minutes. And you can take the skin off if you prefer, but honestly it comes out just the same because we're going to put this baby in a blender here in just a second. Here we have our remaining ingredients. We have some olive oil, lemon juice, water that I reserved from boiling the potatoes and carrots, and we should hold aside some of that. We may not use all of it, but we may need it. We also have the magic ingredient, nutritional yeast. We have some spices. Here we have onion powder, garlic powder, a pinch of cayenne pepper. I went a little heavy on my pinch, some salt, and then I'm going to add a little bit of chipotles and adobo sauce because I'm going to make this for nacho cheese. Definitely not this much. I'm going to take about a spoonful of that. So we just add all of these ingredients to our high-speed blender. I use a Vitamix, but there are Blendtex. There are many others that people use that they find work equally well. And you could probably use a regular blender, but you may just need to blend it a little bit longer. Our yeast, and I'm going to use all the water I reserved, and if I need to I can use tap water for the rest. So I'm going to wait and add my chipotles after I blend this up. Here's our blender ready with everything ready to go, so I'm going to just pulse it up at first. I can see everything's already getting well mixed in there. I added my chipotle chili to it, and this is what you get. Ooey, delicious nacho cheese, perfect on a plate of chips, or you could omit the chipotle and add it to a macaroni and cheese. But your kids, your friends, your family won't believe that this is vegan. It's delicious and made from potatoes and carrots. You can't beat that. Enjoy.